Here is my new to me, unnamed brand or unknown brand boat that's new for the channel. The only thing I know about it is it's 14 feet and it's fiberglass. The listing I will share said that the boat was aluminum, and that's what I went to buy. It had really bad pictures in the listing, so I didn't know any better. And I just saw a gray boat, and I thought it'd be nice to have an aluminum boat on the channel to do some projects on. And when I got there, this is what I found. The guy cared so much about the boat, he wrote right on the side of it, 900 or best offer. We're gonna take a little walk around. Like I said, I went to go and purchase a aluminum boat, and there was this fiberglass boat. She needs a lot of work. Transom is actually pretty stout. It's really not soft. It just has a little delamination there, so we'll work on that. We'll make all new outboard brackets and boards for the back. We'll give her a new paint job. Again, it's really unknown. I don't have any paperwork for the boat. I was told it was a homemade boat, but you could definitely tell it's a production boat at some point. It's probably a 60s or 70s boat. Last registered and used in 2010, so it really hasn't seen the water in probably 13 years. It was a Wisconsin boat. I'm here in North Carolina, so she's a long way from home. Was a package, boat and trailer, no motor, and it kind of looks like it's a production trailer as well, but I was told that was homemade as well. I can tell it's production because now I see a tag in the back there. That's how closely I looked at it. I made the guy an offer and he took it, and I didn't ask any more questions. So here's the new boat for the channel. We're probably gonna be doing a lot of different projects on it. I'm thinking about painting the hull sides, painting the interior, painting the trailer, redoing that transom, doing some other odds and ends. Might put some wood top bench seats in here, clean it up a little bit, and get it back on the water. Or the ultimate prize is flipping this boat. Taking the proceeds from what we get from selling this boat and flipping it into the next project where we could do a bunch of projects on. All painting, mechanical, electrical, whatever it might need. This is a pretty simple boat, really no systems on it. Not even navigation lights, so be a pretty simple, quick and easy project to flip here just in time for spring. So there you have it, folks. The new 14-foot, no name, no brand, homemade boat that we're going to be doing a bunch of projects on.